Today we are looking at place value and face value. What is a place value and what is a face value? Place value of a digit is the value a digit has because of its position in a number, while face value of a digit is the actual value of that digit itself, no matter the position. Now, example, we're going to find the place value and the face value of these digits. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share for more videos. For the old subscribers, thank you for coming back to our channel. Let's continue with our example. We are going to find the place value of this number, and also we are going to find the face value. Place value and face value. Don't forget our definitions. So the first thing you will do to be able to find the place value of this number is to group them according to their place values. So 2 falls under ones, 8 falls under tens, 5 falls under 100, and 4 falls under 1000. Now, since number 2 falls under ones, it simply means the place value is 2 times 1, which is 2. And since number 8 falls under tens, it simply means the place value is 8 times 10, which is 80. And since number 5 falls under 100, it simply means the place value is 5 times 100, which is 500. And since number 4 falls under the place value of 1000, it simply means 4 times 1000, which is 4000. So these are the place value of this number. Now, the face value, it's simply the actual value of the number. So the place value of 2 remains 2. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 4 is 4. I think this one is, as the number is, that is the face value. As you're facing the number, it simply means the face value. If you want to check this place value, if you add all of them together, you will see that you get exactly the number that we were given. You will still get 4,582. We have gotten the number back. So in summary, place value is given or is gotten according to the position of the number in a digit, while the face value is the actual numbers of a digit. I hope this lesson is clear enough. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.